Best Tower PC reviews help users compare performance, upgradeability, cooling, and value to choose reliable desktops for gaming or productivity. My today's video is about top 5 best Tower PCs review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Amazon renewed Dell Optiplex 3060 desktop computer. This refurbished Dell desktop computer delivers an impressive blend of style, connectivity, and reliability for everyday users and gamers alike. Its standout feature is the customizable RGB side panel lighting kit, offering 13 vibrant lighting modes including spectrum cycling, solid colors, and flashing effects. With a simple button press, you can personalize your setup and create the perfect gaming or workstation atmosphere. The included Wi-Fi adapter ensures quick and stable wireless internet connectivity, eliminating the need for messy Ethernet cables and making setup easy in any room. Whether you're browsing, streaming, working, or gaming, the system provides dependable performance with convenient wireless access. Backed by the world's largest Microsoft-authorized refurbisher, this PC offers peace of mind with rigorous quality testing, reliable customer support, and free tech assistance. Combining affordability, eye-catching design, and trusted refurbishment standards, this Dell desktop is a smart choice for users seeking performance and value in one stylish package. Now our second product is Dell Tower Desktop ECT 1250. The Dell Tower Desktop delivers a powerful combination of modern performance, business-grade security, and future-ready design. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors with built-in AI capabilities, this desktop enhances productivity, multitasking, and creative workflows with impressive speed and efficiency. Whether you're managing office tasks, editing content, or handling demanding applications, the AI-enhanced performance keeps everything running smoothly. Its multi-monitor support is another major advantage, allowing users to connect up to 4 full HD displays or dual 4K monitors for an immersive and highly productive workspace. The toolless design and removable side panel make hardware upgrades quick and hassle-free, ideal for users planning future expansions. Security is also a strong focus, thanks to the integrated TPM chip, lock slot, and padlock loop that help protect sensitive data and hardware. Built using recycled materials, the sleek and refined chassis blends sustainability with premium aesthetics. Backed by Dell's 1-year on-site service, this Tower PC offers dependable support and long-term peace of mind. Our third product is Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop ACT1250. The latest Alienware gaming desktop perfectly blends futuristic aesthetics with elite-level performance. Finished in a sleek matte basalt black chassis, the system features customizable Alien FX lighting zones and the signature stadium lighting design that instantly elevates any gaming setup. Its premium construction feels modern, durable, and unmistakably high-end. Powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card built on the advanced Blackwell architecture, this gaming PC delivers stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and powerful AI-enhanced performance for modern AAA games and creative workloads. Combined with the Intel Core Ultra 7265F processor, the system handles gaming, streaming, multitasking, and content creation effortlessly for extended sessions without slowing down. Alienware Command Center adds another layer of customization, allowing users to fine-tune lighting effects, monitor performance modes, and create personalized gaming profiles with ease. Backed by Dell's 1-year on-site service, this desktop provides reliable support and peace of mind, making it an outstanding choice for serious gamers and power users alike. Now number 4, Skobron Gaming PC Desktop Computer. This gaming PC desktop offers an impressive balance of performance, versatility, and value, making it ideal for gamers, students, professionals, and content creators alike. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor reaching speeds up to 3.9 GHz, paired with 16 GB RAM and a fast 512 GB SSD, the system delivers smooth multitasking, quick boot times, and responsive overall performance for work or entertainment. Equipped with the AMD Radeon RX 588 GB graphics card, this PC handles popular titles like Fortnite, GTA 5, Valorant, Warzone, Minecraft, Elden Ring, and Apex Legends at 60+ FPS with stable gameplay and solid visual quality. Whether gaming, streaming, editing videos, or managing trading platforms, the desktop performs reliably under demanding workloads. The RGB lighting system, for RGB cooling fans, and included RGB gaming keyboard and mouse create a visually immersive gaming setup. Connectivity is excellent with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI outputs. Backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support, this gaming PC provides strong long-term value and dependable performance. And our last choice is Asus Ascend GX10 AI Supercomputer. This AI-focused workstation delivers exceptional computing power for developers, researchers, and advanced AI workloads. Powered by the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, the system achieves an incredible 1 petaflop of AI performance while offering 128 GB of memory capable of handling massive 200B parameter model fine-tuning with remarkable efficiency. Its performance is built for demanding generative AI, machine learning, and enterprise-scale inference tasks. Designed specifically for AI developers, the platform supports secure and long-running agentic workflows with compatibility across advanced frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw. Features such as private on-device inference, sandboxed execution, and governed data access make it highly suitable for organizations prioritizing security and control. The integration of NVIDIA NVLink C2C technology enables ultra-fast CPU-GPU communication, while ConnectX-7 networking supports scalable dual-system configurations for even greater processing capability. Despite its compact form factor, the advanced thermal design maintains stable performance during intensive workloads. Combined with NVIDIA's complete AI software stack, this system offers a powerful end-to-end solution for modern AI development and deployment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.